Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about part 2 of season 4 of the reunion guys of Umnawethu Happily Ever After. Now we know part 1 ended with Ulinda interviewing Ulokuzana Usandiso and his community there, so it continues with that. So anyway, Ulinda again, he asked Utsebile. Utsebile is the last, she's the girlfriend, I guess, because apparently, guys, Unonjabulo is a wife. I was so confused because last week, Ulinda asked Usandi so clearly, ukuthi umkhiphela malobolo uNonjabulo now, Mahadebe, and he said no. But as Ulinda's progressing, we get information from Ulinda, ukuthi ayibo uNonjabulo, guys, she's officially a second wife. I'm just like, this guy, he lied throughout the season, Usandiso, and he's still coming to lie at the reunion. At this point, Mabam Kipen, because like what, how do we ever believe or even believe anything that comes out of his mouth when he lies? Guess fuba, guys. Anyway, so they also Tebile ukuthi, so Tebile, how do you feel ukuthi Mahadebe sekaceliwe sekalotsholiwe, she's been made second wife? Because remember, Utsabile, when Usandiso came and see her family, she said asozek aloku that she will never become wife number 3 or the third woman. It's either he makes a number 2 or either we are pumayen. So Geliga, she said, mina ang I don't have a problem that ulokuzana, that umahatebe ulochoniwa ang nainkinga. Kodwa nginenkinga nalo. Nginenkinga no Sandiso, because Sandiso unamanga, he lied to my family, came and lied to my family and told my family ukuthi there would not be any number 3 and that he would take me as number 2. Usandiso says, listen, I only said that because her family, bebeng valele koneng, they were putting me or pushing me in a corner, so bebebona velo, or they took advantage of the fact ukuthi benghamba ngedwa. So that's why I said what I said. I'm like, no, that's not a good enough reason. When I don't even get this thing, guys, ukuthi, if like what's your business meeting people's families if you're not going to marry them? I don't even understand. Because at this point, don't introduce these people to your family. Like, as long as umuntu was serious, he has no business meeting your family at this point. Because why you want to waste my family's time and lying to them like that? That is annoying. So anyway, ke ulokuzana umamkhulu comes in and says, ukuthi kodwa unumber 3 wani lo Usandisa khuluma ngaye when he doesn't even have money. Like, which money do you have? Usandiso's like, isithembu asithathwa ngemali. Umamkhulu is like, kanti hayibo uzolobola ngani, udliwani ngoba kuphilwa ngemali. She goes on to say ukuthi, oh, Usandiso says ukuthi shuthi nina ningabaza amandla ami ukuthi mina won't be able to provide for you guys. Utsabile is like, vele siyawangabaza amandla akho. Umamkhulu is like, ayibo asibona amandla akho ke wabeke la. Put amandla wakho lana siwabheke if really wena you saying ukuthi unamandla. Utabile is like, ayibo shuthi sizolamba thina, sizolamba sikhamise, mele sizisebenzele, and then we must, at this point, we must work for ourselves and support ourselves. I'm just like, yo, that time Mahadebe guys, they are quiet while Umamkhulu and Utabile are busy coming for Usandi. So Mahadebe is sitting there quiet. One thing about Mahadebe, I've said this throughout the season. If I was a man, I would definitely marry that woman for one thing. In Klonipanayo, guys. She knows how to respect her man. She can be how angry at her man, but she still knows how to speak to him in a way that's respectful. I appreciate that so much, you guys, because I've always said, when you come to these shows, don't forget that number 1, don't like ulokuzana, like umamkhulu. She's speaking, I'm just like, you are a wife. ucebile is a girlfriend. You can't be treating yourself like, no, guys, there must be umehluko, and you must understand that I've made a commitment before my family, before God, before this person, that I'm gonna be with this person. So that person, I'm sure, despite what they did, you owe them some level of respect. I'm like a girlfriend who can come there, I'm tuge and speak anyhow. She has no obligation, she has no commitment to this person. So uma had shame, I see it, and I low-key feel like uSandiso also respects uMahadebe to a certain extent, because I've never seen uMahadebe speak to I've never seen uSandiso speak to uMahadebe in any disrespectful manner, but like good not good up or big ups rather to her, to uMahadebe for that. But anyway, uLinda he asked uMahadebe ukuthi ayibo wena wathula washikhanda, why laba bayi-2 are busy coming for uSandiso, like what's going on? Umamkhulu is like, hayi phela uMahadebe wamkela yonke into nje, akanankinga nendlala nje uready. I'm just like, umamkhulu, she reminds me of Samantha. Hlezi befuna ukuphawula ezindabeni zabantu. Keep quiet. Angithi wena you had a chance to speak. Now keep quiet mawukhulunya with other people. uLinda goes on to say, Mahadebe angizwe la kuwena laba boy-2 or ulokhuzana ucebile uyakhala ukuthi like ukuthi uzosondla ngani, or laba boy-2 mamkhulu benocebile, they crying about imali. Wena ke unengane noSandiso, so tell us, uyayondla ingane yakho? Then uNonjabule says ukuthi yes, yona uyayondla ingane yakhe. uLinda zakho, okay, uyayondla, and are you satisfied ngalokho? Mahadebe says ukuthi no, I'm not satisfied. uLinda goes on to say, and then the fact that uGlobalile uhappy ngalokho. Mahadebe answers by saying, indaba yokuthi ukuthi mina ngiye emakhaya angisayiboni, cause mina ngizothi ngiye emakhaya kuze unumber 4. And now I said this thing, guys, I'm just like, Lindaba, yeah, Mahadebe going emakhaya, if she really goes there, she like, no, for real, like there's something wrong with her, because this guy, like, I mean, like he's just, it's like, I feel like he's sending her away in a sense. The rest of these women, they're going to be equally, guys, meeting their men, seeing their men whenever they want to. While yena ule, hi boy, ngathi yena ukashi usisebenzi. So she says ukuthi she doesn't see that happening ukuthi yena aye emakhaya, because uSandiso, he didn't tell her from the get-go ukuthi ayibo uzolanywa by many other women. So mamkhulu says, yeah, vele uyeza wes4, what did you think? Cebile then says ukuthi mina nje uSandise ubiyela ayikho nje into anceda ngayo etheni, since ngiyi-girlfriend yakhe he doesn't do nothing for me. uSandise was like, hayibo ufuna ngikugqokise yini, like awunabo abazali? The audience there is busy laughing, guys. uCebile is like, hayibo angishongo kodwa ukuthi angishongo ukuthi like ungigqokise, kodwa like uyindoda, you are a man and you must be a provider. Everyone's laughing there. She goes on to say ukuthi uzongenza kanjani unkosikazi wakho uhluleka manje. Yazi, that statement, guys, made me realize ukuthi abantu baze lana for ukudlala, really. uCebile, how long has she been dating uBiyela, guys? So for her to say on this reunion, if this show was shot about a year ago, guys, by month 3 or month 4, you should be able to tell which guy is better or not, or if a guy is going to assist you with stuff or not. She's been with this guy over a year now. She's here on the show and she's like, this guy has never helped me with anything. What are you still doing in the relationship? Why didn't you break up with him? So because she's still gonna continue with this guy, even though she said which he's not doing anything for her. I'm just like, girl, bye. If you really were serious, you would have left uBiyela a long time ago, because it's been time, or it's been a while that you've been with this person. So anyway, guys, uBiyela he's adamant ukuthi, listen, like, I'm not going to do the work that abazali bakho should be doing. But uLinda, he goes on to ask mamkhulu, is like, mamkhulu, asize kuwena. Like, these uCebile, yes, uyakhala ukuthi yena he's not doing anything for her. But wena ke uthini? Umamkhulu goes on to say, mina kwisayidi lami ngi-right. And then she goes on to say ukuthi mina, yes, uBiyela angisahlali naye manje, but when I was living with him, he did everything for me. I'm just like ngiyambona ukuthi umamkhulu mina ngiyayibona strategy. I see the strategy umamkhulu aze ngayo, guys. Notice ukuthi when uCebile was mentioning ukuthi hey akenzi next what she's discouraging these other women saying ukuthi uBiela can't provide, yet she knows very well ukuthi her man was providing for her well. So why, like, what is she commenting on if she's never experienced it? So it made me feel ukuthi she's using a strategy of she's going to discourage these women so that they leave. And then Yena, she remains because there's no absolute like since the show started, she cannot give us a clear yes of whether she's leaving this man or not. And I don't see her leaving, guys. I just see her trying to make sure ukuthi laba abanye baphume, because I'm just like, why are you busy saying izinto ezinjalo yet you know ukuthi uBiela has been providing for you all of these years? Anyway, uLinda-ke he asked umamkhulu about indaba yengane ukuthi okay, when you said ukuthi awukho ready for ingane, so manje like where are you pertaining that? Umamkhulu goes on to say ukuthi yabona-ke manje ngiwesi, angifuni nje kwangane, I don't want nothing, which is like I understand, but you know what, guys, I feel like when women are ready to have this conversation, we need to have a conversation that when you're a wife, guys, there's a different approach and there's a different way that you do things. I feel like it doesn't, like if she feels like, I understand, yes, it's not a healthy environment to bring a child in, yes, but why doesn't she just leave? Because she can see what uBiela is not going to change. Do you understand what I'm saying? So what is she waiting for in order to have a child? I don't get it ukuthi like it's like umbambe ngale ndaba yengane, and I'm like, that's not wise. It's not wise, and I feel like you will continue going to make children outside because umbambe ngaleyo nto. And I'm not saying she must make kids with him, but I'm saying if she's not willing to give that to him, which is like, which should be fair of a husband or a wife to ask of their spouse on good grounds. But if you don't want that and you're not seeing that and you can see ukuthi this person is adamant ukuthi vele indaba yesithembu, this is how I'm gonna love, then leave. Like, what are you waiting for? So I feel like umamkhulu udlala ngathi, she comes here acting ngathi hey, discouraging these girls. Kodwa naye, how different is she? Well, she is a bit different, but it doesn't look like she's going anywhere. So anyway, uLinda, he decides to ask all the ladies, okay, mamkhulu, I would like to hear from you. Are you staying? Mamkhulu says, if there's still a community la ngiyahamba mina. I'm like, you see, once a woman is still saying if that woman is not ready to leave. Guys, when a woman is fed up with you, she doesn't want to hear next. She doesn't, not even Gibo, you can buy her what? She doesn't want to hear nothing. So if a woman is still giving conditions, if he does A, B, and C, I'll get back to him, that means her heart is still in it. Then babuza uCebile-ke, Cebile uyahlala noma uyahamba? uCebile says unamanga nomuntu kodwa ngiyamthanda, ngiyahlala. Guys, I was so surprised because I'm like, uCebile, after speaking like that, how do you air your man's dirty laundry like that? That's why I'm saying sometimes guys have wisdom. Have wisdom, because you just said on national TV, this person doesn't do nothing for you and what, yet you still want to stay. I mean, there's nothing wrong with being honest, but I feel like that level of honesty is for Abos Sisbako, not for the national. Then tomorrow you want us to while you're speaking of him like that. But anyway, uyahlala. Then umamkhulu is like, hey bo, uyahlala. Egulene kunje, like to say ukuthi hayibo begula nje abantu wena usahlala. I was just like, that's why I'm saying umamkhulu usebenzisa strategy. Why is she saying to uCebile ukuthi why uhlala, like awusabi ukugula? Yet she has been with this man, she's still with this man for so long. So she's trying to discourage all of these women. But uCebile says ukuthi ayi mina anginankinga, ngiyahlala. uLinda abuze-ke ukuthi you said ukuthi ngeke uvume to be number 3. So what's going to happen with that? Cebile says akanankinga, she doesn't have a problem with being number 3 as long as bezohloniphana. I'm just like, you see abafazi guys, hi, abafazi, you're not the type of people ongayempini nabo, because I mean she was sitting nabo sisibakhe, hey bevumelana, busy saying ukuthi hey angeke ngibe number 3. Now she's choosing a man over everything. Then uLinda comes to also Mahateb. Mahateb yahlala or what? uMahateb is like angiyi ndawo mina. And then Mamkhulu is like, shuthi-ke aphelile amadoda angeke. For you guys to still want to stay, I'm like, what about you? Oh, I guess yena she said ukuthi phela mina ngayifika ingaganwanga. So you guys, you two, I guess aphelile amadoda for you guys to want to stay in the situation. But anyway, uLinda decides to ask uMamkhulu futhi, and he asked Mamkhulu, I want to ask you this question again. Uyahlala noma uyahamba? And then uMamkhulu says, hayi mina ngiyahamba. I'm just like, girl, I don't believe anything she's saying. So then they leave. Then uLinda welcomes to the stage the lost couple, which is uKondanisa and his people. That time, uKondanisa is sitting on a couch with uMamkhulu, then uSamantha, and then uManglobo, which is the third girlfriend. They're sitting on a separate couch. The way uMamkhulu is sitting so close to uKondanisa, I'm just like, uMamkhulu, uthanda ukudlala ngathi yazi. And quite frankly, like, yeah, it's starting, like, it's funny, but it's starting to bore me because I'm for these things that she's doing. So uLinda asks ukuthi Mamkhulu nino Samantha, every time nithi niyahamba kodwa we always find you back on the season. What's happening with you guys? So Mamkhulu beno Samantha, they're like, ayibo umbona uKondanisa sona, ayibo ushiwe lo muntu. We just came here because Venice menu where we have to be here, but not ukuthi we are with this person. I get so uLinda he asks ukuthi le ndaba kaMamkhulu. He reads a comment from Twitter from X. Le ndaba yokuthi uMamkhulu, and the comment had something to do with uMamkhulu's always bragging about indlu zakhe and whatnot, but we've never seen any of them. Mamkhulu goes on azibale girl. Athi ngilendlu zonke. I have a property eSky City. Ngile Uber. She goes on to say ukuthi-ke ayike nginelifa futhi kodwa I won't mention ilifa-ke because I received that from my family. I'm like, what's the... Yes, some things, guys, it's like, you know ukuthi unelifa. Yes, ngeke ulibale. She's saying ukuthi ngeke alibale because it's from, like, it's not amandla akhe, it's a gift. But I'm like, what's the need of even mentioning that? Like, it's giving vibes like you want to prove something. Do you understand? So uLinda's saying ukuthi wena bathi abantu phela ukuthi, like, when you brag for nothing. Ayibo, Mamkhulu is so loud that time. Angimazi guys, Mamkhulu, she's not like that Mamkhulu that we saw in the first seasons as Tobile. Hey, she's loud. Mamkhulu is like, hey, ababhale. Mina like, umuntu obhalayo wama-social media uyazibhalela. Akabhaleli mina. Akangifidi mina. Mina nje fit ingane zami and whatnot. Like, she goes on about all of that. uKondanisa sitting there quiet, and then uLinda asked him ukuthi wena I get Kondanisa, what do you have to say about this? uKondanisa says, listen, mina ngiyalazi iqiniso. I know the truth. I know Mamkhulu. I know our plans. I know the things that we have planned. Mamkhulu, yes, angadlalisela nina labo ma-TV to impress viewers. Well, Mamkhulu was like, hayi, angakhuluma kanjani mina angindaba nabantu uthi ngiyenzela TV. You're like shouting, just like Mamkhulu, you're making yourself look crazy. Because every time Mamkhulu was speaking, guys, the audience is busy laughing at her, or the rest of the cast is busy laughing at her. I'm like, don't you see? Or would you like you bringing yourself to these children's age? Pella, the rest of them here are kids. Like, no. So uLokuzana uLinda abuza indaba yengane of saying ukuthi Samantha wena bathi abantu you try to trap uKondanisa ngengane. Samantha says ukuthi mina I never tried to trap uKondanisa nengane, I just didn't tell him the truth. And then anyway uLinda you welcome some lady kuthiwa uRose. Angimazi ke lo Rose, everyone's wondering ukuthi ayibo Rose waphi. But anyway uNokuzana, Linda says Samantha besicela usitshela ukuthi uRose ufunani namhlanje. Samantha goes on to say ukuthi uRose, this is my business partner. She has become more like a sister. She's become more like family to me. She goes on to say, Mamkhulu, I know that me and you, we've built something, we've built a relationship. Kodwa namhlanje ngifuna uku-expose ama-true colors akho. Angithi wena, you busy saying ukuthi wena awuphilela abantu, right? So mina-ke ngifuna ukuvula ukuqondanisa amehlo before that happens again. So anyway, they give a chance to Rose to speak, guys. Ulokhuzana-ke ulinda Samantha which Rose, what is she here for? Rose goes on to speak and say, Phela mina uSamantha sinomamkhulu. We went out for drinks one day, and mamkhulu we were all a bit tipsy, and I asked, Samantha did a paternity test or a DNA test. When mamkhulu, why are you not doing a paternity a DNA test? Then she says, she said, mina no Samantha siyazi ukuthi why singayenzi or why singakayenzi or why singinqaba ukuthi senze ayo DNA test. So obviously it's giving vibes yokuthi like aibo Sisi, there's something that you are hiding. Now I don't think there's any reason for Rose to lie, but guys, I've been saying this throughout the season, which is Samantha. I don't see no reason, or I see, I believe Samantha. I believe her on one basis, Yoguti. You would never befriend a person over and over again that keeps kulumanga manga ngao. How many seasons has Samantha been saying this one thing? Or probably next season as well, we're gonna see Mamthunu being Samantha's friend. Or either number two, guys, ugu Samantha kunobubhithanyana that's going on. Because I feel like you say ugu Kondanisa uzwani na you wanna get out of Kondanisa's life. So umvula kanjani amehlo Kondanisa. If like, do you understand? For me, it's like if you no longer into the person, Puma again, it's not in the bayako to even speak whether the kids are his or not. But I feel like there's a bit of bitterness, like kind of to say, hey, mina vela ngami telling indoda kodwa nawe mamkhulu, you're not perfect type of thing. So I feel like Samantha, guys, she's just always in people's news, and I don't know umamkhulu ukuthi Samantha goes on to say, she has a guy, she has a boyfriend that she has been keeping as umakwapeni for years. Umamkhulu does not deny that as tulele, guys, like quiet. But before that, even before Rose spoke, Umamkhulu, when Ulinda wanted to give Rose a chance to speak, Umamkhulu was like, how would she know in the bazami? And Ulinda was like, give her a chance to speak, almost as if she was being defensive about something. But Ulokuzana Ulinda asked, Mamkhulu, are you willing to do a DNA test? Mamkhulu says, I don't have a problem. Ulinda abuze Samantha, Samantha, are you willing to uklawula if these results come opposite to what you're saying? Samantha says, listen, mina ngireti ngahlawula izinkomo futhi. The way Samantha's so certain about herself, I can. Then Ulokuzana Ulinda goes on to the third girlfriend, Umangobo. He asked Mangobo, how did you feel when you met Samantha Benomamthunu Bizengo aunt? And then she said, I didn't have a problem because vele nami yabo, if I was in their shoes, indoda yami inglethe nomunye umfazi, bengizoba neskhwele for indoda bringing enye intombi. Umamkhulu, she just went wild. Uyayazi intombi wena, hayibo ungazohlazi intombi wena, lay down yasukuhlola, uyayazi intombi. Don't say ukuthi intombi wena ungumakhwapheni. Like in Klambanje that she's just using towards that girl. Kondanisa's not happy. Kondanisa looks at Mamthunu is like, Mamthunu, yazi ngakushaya. Uyazi ukuthi ngakushaya manje. Umamthunu zathi ngishayi. Mshamzo tshana ubhuti bami mina. Angeke kuse ungahlanga wena. In your guys, Umamthunu started making noise there. Kondanisa, this side is like, I'm not saying I've ever hit her, but I'm saying ukuthi like she must know ukuthi mina in like alazi ukuthi mina nginamandla phezu kwakhe. I know how to handle my situation, so she mustn't come in. Your guys, but Ulinda Spear, he coozed that whole thing so well. He apologized on behalf of the channel and on behalf of men. And he told Kondanis akukhulunywa kanje. Even to a child, you don't use your authority as a man just to keep someone quiet. So awukho right. But he didn't stop there. He even went to Mam Tonu and said, Mam Tonu, awukho right. Inhlamba ayikho right. And I loved that, guys, because as women, we also need to learn what sometimes we do escalate the matter. And this is not to say there's any good enough reason for a man to lay hands on a woman. But I'm just saying, us women sometimes, inhlamba, guys, please, like, don't escalate. You can see ushubile zithulele or what, but don't use inhlamba. And he was khuzaring umamthunga lokho ukuthi inhlamba, yes, we understand you angry, but inhlamba, it's not right. Hey guys, ayibobo kushubile umamthunu, guys, the way she was crying there saying ukuthi uzotshela ubhuti bakhe ukuthi uqondanisa uthe hey. I'm just like, you guys, such a mess. But anyway, that is the recap, guys, of this latest season. Tell me your thoughts on this. Let's hope in 2025 when they bring 2025, yeah, when they bring their new season, they're gonna bring new faces or something about zozlethela ivavavum. Abanye ke, hey, they need to give us a break from abokondanisa. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.